stand over here.
Let's do it.
Alright, would you want to do the honors with me?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Squeeze very gently. Mom, come here. Stand over here so you can
I'm
catch
trying
it.
to do video for both. Hold on.
Squeeze it.
Alright. On your marks. Get set. Go. Wait, hold on.
There it is.
Squish, 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 squish. Oh.
It's erupting.
Squeeze it.
It's actually working. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Nicholas, don't break that. That's the only one you have. Wow. It worked. Nice job, guys. It actually worked.
Wait. Whoa, we have more.
Whoa.
We have more.
Whoa, easy. Oh, Nicholas.
This is vinegar.
Vinegar's very. Oh, that's gets on my face. Good. One more
Wow.
nice, good,
Easy.
big squeeze.
Wow, very cool.
And then it quiets down. As the land below is bombed and blew up.
Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun,
It worked. It worked.
Wow. That was so cool.
That was amazing.
We should have colored it though.
Yes, who colored it? Who made it awesome?
Oh,
Well,
boy.
The
Oh, the lava?
Can I blow through this to get everything out? Why?
It's soap.
I know.
it's poisonous.
Go ahead.
It's not
Let's see what
poisonous.
happens. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's erupting.
Ah.
Keep blowing.
Okay.
Wait,
No more
there's
eruption,
one more.
please. It's getting over, Michael. You're erupting. Thank you.
Okay, that's
Thank
that's
you.
it. Thank you.
That was cool.
That was awesome.
In the no,
It really worked.
no. You have school science fair, and you can have do a project like a 100 project.
You know what? If you guys ever did